Hello students, welcome in chapter 10, straight line. Students, today I continue our various form of equation of the line in part 6, normal form, either P alpha form. But students, before started this 6 point, I just revise my previous 5 points. Yes, various form of the line have a general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. My first form is a vertical either horizontal line. Vertical means yes, it is parallel to y-axis. X is equal to a belongs to r. Either horizontal line which is parallel to x-axis. Surely it is y is equal to b because intersect y-axis at unique point. Secondly, I explain you, yes, point slope form, either slope point form, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Third point, 2-point forming, a line having 2 points, ax1 y1, bx2 y2, and 2-point forming you easily by heart, y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to slope, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Fourth, I explain slope intercept line having slope m and intercepting is c. So y is equal to mx plus c. Fourth, I explain yes, already that what? In the way of our equations to intercepted line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And next after that students we going today our this sixth one in the form of normal form of the equations. It is a unique part of students. So students, in this form, normal form is a very simple. Consider your y-axis and here x-axis. I both explain you what is p and what is alpha. Consider this is the one of the line making angle with the distance from origin is called your p. P is what? Distance from origin, which is perpendicular distance, and that the point is m something, and this is the angle is called alpha degree with the making with x-axis and the distance traveling to that, and this line is called about your p alpha form. His equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So you by heart this formula, x cos alpha y sin alpha is equal to p, where p is what? Yes, where p is equal to perpendicular distance from origin. That's your p. And alpha is making to related your angles between that x-axis to that perpendicular. If I draw one more drawing in the same criteria, but in this second quadrant, this way, y-axis and here x-axis. Here your perpendicular distance traveling to origin sides, students, here 90 degree with O to M, and this distance is called P distance, O to M. And here also again x-axis making the angle, that's your alpha. Therefore this equation is called P alpha form, either normal forming, and formula same, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. If I draw third, same going in the third quadrant, this drawing also true, y-axis, x-axis, x dash and y dash in this way, third equations to third quadrant. Here also students, that's your perpendicular distance p to OM, and distance making the origin is this alpha degree. Yes, it is a more than 180 degree. Therefore in third quadrant, here also formula same, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. And one more, fourth drawing, if I going in the my fourth quadrant, here x-axis 90, y-axis, and here you can draw your next drawing fourth quadrant, that also same, here a perpendicular distance p to point m, this is 90 degree, yeah? So p is what? perpendicular distance from origin is indicate your P, and alpha is here in this way, that to that, this one, that's your alpha. It is more than 270 degree, fourth quadrant, and here also equation is same, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Yes students, I'm now going to in general. Yes, in equation of line, that also you by heart, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If you general given line, then P is equal to perpendicular distance from origin is modulus c by under root a square plus b square. That's your P. If you written by general forming, then you apply this formula. Either sometimes given in this question, then you can plot by this data. Now I going ahead, our example continue, textbook example that related. Next one. Yes, P given and also alpha given. Students, find the equation of line whose perpendicular distance from origin is 4 units and angle with the normal and the angle which the normal makes with positive x-axis, with positive direction of x-axis is 15 degree. So does this also all drawing you check? That's your positive direction of x-axis angle. This also same positive. That also same positive to mutatai, and here also positive to this mutatai. Alpha given, P given. Here what is P? P is a 4 and alpha is what? 15 degree with positive direction of x-axis. So I operate normal form, either P alpha form. So from P alpha forming, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P, and that's your equation of line. P known, alpha known, you just put down in your values and get easily our answer. Students, it's very simple. So my value is x cos 15 degree, y sin 15 degree, and P is equal to what? 4. Now put down the cos 15 and sin 15. Already known in the previous, we know that. What you know? Cos 15 according to your trigonometric chapter, third chapter, root 6 plus root 2 by 4. Students, you root 2 common take. So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into root 2. Root 2, root 2 gone. It have root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That's your cos 15. Also same sin 15. Root 6 minus root 2 by 4. Already we derive in third chapter. So it is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. And this all value you successfully putting down here. So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 and LCM. So equation of line, x with root 3 plus 1, y with root 3 minus 1, and 4 with the 2 root 2, indirectly 8 root 2. So root 3 plus 1x root 3 minus 1y is equal to 8 root 2. And here students, our this equation of the line for the P alpha forming is students easily and happily done. Now after that, next example students. Now continue students. Example 12. Yes, this is example number 11. So you write down the number. This 12, the Fahrenheit temperature F and the absolute temperature is K. Satisfy that linear equations. It means we will take on x-axis Fahrenheit and K temperature on y-axis. Given that 273 K, then F32 temperature and K 373, then F212. Then find equation that express K in terms of F. It is I want to one of the linear equation in form of K and F. Also find out F when value of K become 0. So students, here I consider on respectively axis. X-axis have I taking Fahrenheit F and on y-axis to temperature K, absolute temperature. So here assume that this is only assumption on x-axis and on y-axis. Students, here taking F Fahrenheit and here take K Fahrenheit. I mean K absolute value, not Fahrenheit. This is the Fahrenheit temperature. This is a K absolute temperature on y-axis. So assume that F temperature on x-axis and K on y-axis. Students, you know the formula wise. Check here. K is 273, F 32. So point on the plane according to plane known you x comma y. What is your x taking? Fahrenheit. Temperature K on y. So what is the F? 32. Then K become 273. That I consider x1 y1. And another point on the plane, again F and K. This again F I taking 2 and 2. And temperature to K 373. I will take x2 y2. And now 2 point given on the line. Yes, it is 2 point forming. Yes, already you know the 6 points, various form of the line. So by 2 point form, the formula known, y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Y minus, what is y1? 273. x1 32. Same, y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1, I will write down 373 minus 273. x2 minus x1, it means 2 and 2 minus 32. Students, here y and x already are written on the respectively axis. So y I write down K minus 273, here F minus 32. And here students, we will get 273 minus 373, it is 100, and that become 180. 2 and 2 minus 32, 0 and 18, yes, 18 into 21. So this cancel, 5 2 za, 9 2 za. In short, you get K minus 273 is equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 32. This equation, it is your first part is done. And what they indicate, students? It is indicate K in terms of F. Now I going F. If K is 0, how about it then? If K is 0, so 0 minus 273, 5 by 9, F minus 32. And here students, simple you can derive F. So minus 273 into 9 by 5 plus 32 is equal to F. And now students, you can utilize here simple calculator and get the value of F, which is students answer minus 459.4 Fahrenheit. If you utilization calci, then you can get direct this answer. And here students, our question number 12 up to done. Now I go to students simple, our exercise 10.2, continue one by one, slowly students I going ahead. Now my exercise questions, but I again repeat, In all 6 points you just remember properly, then you continue 10.2 and further exercise. Yes, various form of the line. Now I continue exercise 10.2. Very easy exercise and very simple. First, write the equation of, write the equation of for y-axis and x-axis. Very easy. Students, you know x-axis and y-axis. In general, I make the drawing. Y-axis is called x is equal to 0, vertical line, and x-axis is called y is equal to 0, horizontal line, because it passes through itself 0, 0. So I write down equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Either you can write down it is also what? Horizontal line. And now continue. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. That one. Also, you can say it is vertical line. And here, simple, students, this first question is done. Second, same is going ahead. Passing through, given that minus 4, 3 passing point and the slope, which is half. So the slope half, passing through known. It means which 6 form are utilization here out of 6? Yes, slope point, point slope. One of the point known, one of the slope known. So I apply here my given point, which is x1, y1, that is minus 4, 3, and slope is indicate m, half. And a simple way you can operate, students, our formula is a slope point equation, and easily you can operate that answer. So our formula is a by slope point equation, either point slope equation, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. This consider x1, y1. y1 is a 3, slope half, and x1 is, students, minus 4. This x1, that y1. y1 is 3. Now you can check upper way. 2y minus 6, x plus 4. So x plus 4 plus 6 minus 2y. Just take left to right. So my answer is x plus minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. And that's your, students, simple and easily answer done here. Now third one. Similarly, passing through given, passing through 0, 0 and with slope m. With slope given, students, m. So very simple. 0, 0 I will take my x1, y1 and slope applied to m. So simple. Passing through known, slope known, I utilize by slope point, either point slope. So by slope point equation, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Students, y1 becomes 0, x1 also 0. You have to only, this equation is y is equal to mx. Yes, students, if you draw that type drawing, you know that definitely this drawing is passing through first and third quadrant, because y is equal to mx. See, unknown that. So this line is called y is equal to mx. Either first quadrant, either third quadrant wise you can apply, and that, students, answer happily done. Now I go to continue our question number 4. Indirectly, whole exercise is very easy and simple. Now question number 4. Fourth also asking that passing through the point given 2 comma 2 root 3 and inclined angle with x-axis and inclined with x-axis. Given the angle at an angle of 75 degree. Students, here angle wise going 75. So slope of the line is what? Tan theta, and tan theta formula you know. Yes, 75 degree. So students, here slope m, I will write down tan theta, tan 75 degree, and 75 you know that. How much? 45 plus 30. Total 75, and formula known I have to tan alpha plus beta. Tan 45 plus tan 30 upon 1 minus tan 45 tan 30, and all values we go that is respectively value putting 1 here 1 by root 3, 1 minus here 1 by root 3, and LCM is a root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. That is the students your slope cover m. Now check passing through known 2 comma root 3. So also line passing points x1 y1 we have to know 2 comma 2 root 3. So can I write down here passing through, here slope. So equation of line by slope point, y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So by slope point equation, already you know that y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, and here students respectively you will apply the all values. So then you get in the simple way answer. So our target achieved. Y minus, what is y1? Y1 is 2 root 3, and slope m root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1, and x minus x1. What is x1 students? x1 is 2. I just putting value x1 y1 in slope. One more time check. Root 3 plus 1 root 3 minus 1, y1 is 2 root 3 and x1 is a 2. Now this you multiply inside. So here y with the root 3 minus 1, 2 root 3 with the root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3 plus 1 with x minus 2 times root 3 plus 1. Now extra multiply. So root 3 minus 1y same. That multiply 2 into 3 plus 2 root 3. And this side root 3 plus 1x minus 2 root 3 and minus 2. Now your time coming to arrangement. Root 3 minus 1y 6 2 root 3. Here same root 3 plus 1x minus 2 root 3 minus 2. Can I write down this all parts left to right sides? Here 0. It will to root 3 plus 1x minus 2 root 3 minus 2 here minus root 3 minus 1y plus 6 minus 2 root 3. And now you can cover totally root 3 plus 1x minus root 3 minus 1y, 6 minus 2 4, and here 4 root 3. Students, you will take these parts in the right side, then your textbook answer cover is equal to 4 root 3 minus 4. So I just simple taking root 3 plus 1x, root 3 minus 1y, 4 common, it is root 3 minus 1. And here students, my big answer to passing through our 2 comma 2 root 3, an angle made to 75 with the x-axis students here easily and happily done. Now I continue students, our same as question number 5. That also very simple question. NIMP. So my fifth question is intersecting the x-axis. Yes, question number 5. Intersecting the x-axis at a distance 3, distance of 3 units to the left side, to the left of the origin, with the slope already given students minus 2. Very easy. A line having slope known but intersecting with the left x-axis means students, here your y, here your x, that origin. I want to x-axis but distance 3 to left side, it means here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This point is a passing through points, minus 3 comma 0, and having slope some given minus 2. Either this, either that, students. Here slope available, minus 2. Now over slope known, passing through known, so required line having slope m minus 2 and passing through, what the passing through x1 y1, you will write down according to drawing is minus 3 comma 0, x1 y1 passing, slope known. I go to slope point, variation of the line, so by slope point equation, y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Students, you just by heart all our 6 points of the variation of the forms of the line. x1 y1, y1 is 0, slope minus 2, x1 is minus 3, so y is equal to minus 2, x plus 3. In short, minus 2x minus 6. That become your minus 2x minus 6 is your answer. So now rearrange, 2x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Just rearrange 2x plus y plus 6. And here students, your fifth question is also easily and happily done. So students, after ending these 5 questions, I stop here my parts, and further explanation related variation of the different way for the line in your exercise 10.2 I continue in the next parts. Bye bye.